Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by exposing and loosening the contact paper edges. This matters because heat softens the adhesive. Hold a hair dryer on low, 2 to 3 inches away, and warm a corner for about 20 to 30 seconds. Once warm, lift a corner with a fingernail or a plastic scraper. If the corner resists, slide dental floss under it and saw gently. You want the adhesive tacky, not melted, so heat in short bursts. This prevents scorching the table finish. Once you have a corner, peel at a low angle, keeping tension steady. This reduces tearing and leftover bits. Make sure to warm the next section ahead of the peel, every 6 to 8 inches, so the glue stays pliable. If the paper rips, stop and reheat that spot before continuing. For stubborn tacky residue, apply a few drops of adhesive remover or warm, soapy water and rub with a soft cloth. This dissolves glue without harsh scraping, protecting the table surface. You finish by removing any remaining cleaner and restoring the table finish. Thorough cleaning prevents sticky patches. First, wash the surface with warm, soapy water and a soft cloth, then rinse and dry. Once dry, apply a thin layer of furniture oil or wax to revive the sheen and protect the wood. If the finish was slightly damaged, lightly sand with fine grit paper and refinish in a small, controlled patch. Troubleshooting tip: if adhesive won't
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.